What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Wonder Bowser Jr. from Super Mario. Now I'm going to begin today's lesson on the left side of our page with the teeth. Let's start from the very top of the mouth. I'm just going to bend this out, down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's add a point. We're going to go up and back in. Now I want to add a few more teeth coming in towards the corner of the mouth. Let's start at the very top, come down and in, bend that back up towards the top. Let's add another one. Coming down and in, go back up towards the top. Now the last tooth, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. Bend this out and then down, go up toward the corner of the mouth. Now let's round out the corner of the mouth, coming around and then out towards the left. Now we're going to draw the bottom row of teeth. Add a small one on the bottom. Let's add two more teeth along the outside, going out and up, go out and then down. We'll add one more, going out. Just going to bend this around and then down towards the bottom of the jaw. Let's go back up to the top and draw that trim. We're going to come in. Just going to bend that down towards the cheek. Let's round out the cheek. I'm going to go up, come around the side of the mouth, and then pull that in, and we'll close this off. I'm just going to bend this down and then bring that forward to a point in the chin. Now I want to draw the back side of the mouth in between. Let's start up here, bend this down and in, and just tuck that up underneath. And then we'll move over, draw the back side of the mouth coming down. Let's add one tooth. Bring this up, and then again, just tuck this in behind. Now I want to trace the teeth along the inside, so let's start on the left. Just following the same curves going up, and just working our way across. Now let's go back to the bottom. Trace up the bottom row of teeth. And then we'll close off the outside. Now we want to tuck the muzzle and cheek in behind. Let's start from this corner. We're going to step in, curve this up, go across, and we'll bend that down. Let's layer the cheek. Stepping up, go across, and then down on top. Now in this little gap, we're going to draw a circle for the eye. Now I'm going to move in, draw the eyebrow, going across and then up. Let's add a couple points. Coming down, and then back up. Let's taper this down and then in towards the front of the eyebrow. Let's draw on the top of the head. We're going to start up here, bend this up and in behind the brow, continuing on the outside. It's going to pull this down to right about there, and then we're going to add a horn. Let's start with a socket with a half circle, bend this out and then down on top of the cheek. From these 2 points, bend this out towards a point, and then we want to add a trim around the base of the horn, going all the way around and then back up. Let's draw on the back eyebrow, going out, come down, go up to a point, and then tuck that in behind the muzzle. Now all the way over on the left side, let's draw a small oval and fill that in black for the nostril. Now I want to add that hair along the top of the head. We're going to start in behind the eyebrow, start with the base, going around and then down. Let's go to the outside of the eyebrow, curve the hair going out, and bend that across towards the right. And we'll add a small point. Let's add a wave, going up, down, and then up. Let's bend this back down and then in. Let's add another point, going out, and we'll pull it down and then in behind the base. Now we're going to tie the end of the mask in behind the head. Let's start up here, going up, out, and then up. Bend this down and then back in towards the jaw. Let's add a fold, going up and out, and we'll draw one on the back. Just bending this out, and then just tuck that in. Now I want to draw the side of the body starting with the edge of the shell. We start from the jaw, bend this out, down, and then out towards the end of the shell. Let's move up and draw that same curve, going around, down, and then out. Now from here, we're going to draw a curve for the shell going around and back in towards the head. But up around here, we're going to add a notch, add a half circle, and we'll continue that curve going up and back in towards the side of the head. Let's add a horn from these 2 points, bend this out towards a point. And we'll draw a base, starting from the top, going all the way around, and then up. Let's add a horn along the inside, start with a half circle, then from the ends going up and out towards a point. Let's draw a circle for the base going around the bottom. And we'll add a horn layered on top, start with the base going up and then down, and then from the side go up towards a point. Let's tuck another spike in behind, going out the base, and then going out towards a point. Let's go back down to the bottom of the trim. I'm just going to wrap this around the side and then back in. Now we're going to tuck the arm in behind the head and the shell. Let's start from the very top. We're just going to bend the arm going all the way around towards the elbow and then bend that forward. Let's curve the wrist going up and then in underneath the head. Step up and draw the edge of the wristband going around and then down. Let's go back to the inside of the wristband and add a fold across the elbow. Now from the top of the wristband, let's add in the thumb. Just going to curl this around and then back up. Let's go to the outside. We're going to draw the first finger. It's going to curl this around, up, and then back down. Now let's layer 2 more fingers in behind. We're going to start up here, curving up, down, and then up in behind. Move over in behind the thumb and draw 1 more. Let's close off the edge of the palm in between the finger. Now on the tip of each finger, we're going to draw a small half circle for the claws. Now let's move all the way over towards the left side and draw the left hand in behind the head. We're going to start with the wrist. We're going to start up here, start with the thumb going up, down, and just curl that up. Let's move down, draw the first finger, coming down, up, and then curl that down. And we'll layer 2 more fingers in behind, going around, just tuck that in, and we'll draw 1 more. And then in between the thumb and that center finger, draw the palm coming down and out. Let's separate the claws on the tip of each finger with a half circle. Now that we have the upper body, let's draw in the legs. We're going to start on the left side of the hand, bend the leg going out and then down, go out and then down towards the heel. Let's go over towards the left side, bend the heel, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's go to the right side and draw the bottom of the foot, coming down and then up towards the first claw. Curve the claw going up and then bend that down towards the bottom. Let's layer 2 more claws on the outside. From this point, we'll step up, then it's out and up, go up and then down, and we'll do that 1 more time. Now from the top of the last claw, curve the foot going up and then down. Go in underneath the shell, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the foot. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Start with the bottom of the foot, going out towards the first claw. Curve the claw coming up and then down. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind. And we'll draw the top of the foot, going up and in, and close off the outside. Let's add the tail coming out on the right, going out and up from the shell, and bend that back in. Now let's finish off by adding some stars across the body. We're going to start from the outside, start from the top middle, bend this out towards the sides, bend that back in and then down towards the bottom. Let's add a few more, starting on the right. Add 1 inside the leg. I'm going to add 1 more along the top. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Wonder Bowser Jr. from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you have a request, please drop it in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.